So hello everyone, this is Aditya and currently I'm working as software developer. So I hope you guys are also doing well. So basically guys, if you are looking for IT jobs in big top MNCs company, then this update is only for you guys. So make sure watch this video till the end guys. So when I talk about the first opportunity is coming from our Deloitte company guys. We already know Deloitte company and all. So in the Deloitte now they are hiring like a associate analyst. So this is like a non-coding job. Like if you don't have so much coding knowledge or skills, then you guys are also eligible. So now I move forward for the second opportunity. Second opportunity is coming from our PwC company guys. But here in this company they are also hiring like a data analyst. But this is completely a like coding job guys. So I explain each and everything guys. So make sure watch this video completely guys. So for today now I start our video. Just I when I talk about the first opportunity, just you see here like the PwC hiring drives is open to freshers and candidate with up to like 1 year of experience who have like interest in the Amazon Web Service, AWS, cloud engineering, Python, SQLs, data analytics, and like candidate with the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MBA qualification in relevant technical discipline are guys are eligible to apply. So when I comes to the down, just you see here like who is eligible, the biggest question. So the job description encourage apply from candidates like with have following a qualification like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and also MBA. The second most important question, which eligible pass out years, like आपने कब अपना डिग्री कंप्लीट करा है ऐसा करके. So the job posting does not mention any specific ग्रेजुएशन और पासिंग आउट ईयर. सो वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ मेंशन ही नहीं है. सो लाइक व्हेन इट कम्स टू द डाउन लाइक 0 to 1 year of experience, freshers and candidate with up to have like 1 year of experience and can eligible to apply this form. And when I talk about the like guys like 25-26 अगर आपने अपना डिग्री कंप्लीट करा तो आप अप्लाई कर देना. लाइक 24 वाले भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन मेरे को नहीं लगता वहाँ पे ज़्यादा रिस्पांस मिलेगा क्योंकि एमएनसीज कंपनी 2 साल तक ही वो अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड कराती है गाइस. नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो गाइस. लाइक दिस इज़ आवर जॉब रोल्स एंड दिस इज़ आवर जॉब पोर्टल गाइस. सो जस्ट यू सी हियर लाइक AWS डाटा एंड एनालिटिक्स एडवाइजरी गुड़गांव. दिस इज लाइक फ्रॉम गुड़गांव लोकेशन एंड ऑल. सो जस्ट यू सी हियर गाइस एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द डाउन आई जस्ट शो you each and everything. Just you mention like basic understanding of when I talk about the like a skill set and all. So basic understanding of AWS, EC2, S3, IBM and VPC, RDS, CloudWatch and all. So like and the basic understanding of like using Python shell or PowerShell and all, and the knowledge of monitoring and troubleshooting concepts, good programming skills guys, and a strong verbal and communication is the very most important guys. Communication बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कहीं भी आप चले जाओ. So the down like prefer skills like bachelor's degree in computer science, technology और related field, AWS cloud certification. अगर आपने कहीं से कोर्स भी कंप्लीट करा हो लाइक किसी इंस्टीट्यूट से तो भी आप इसे अप्लाई कर पाओगे. When it comes to the down internship और academic project experience in cloud technology, like cloud technology में आपके पास लिटरली थोड़ा तो एक्सपीरियंस होना ही चाहिए. When I move forward, so now I move forward in this video guys. Like just you see here like a year of experience like 0 to 1 years and BE, BTech. These guys are eligible to fill this form. So now I move forward for the second opportunity guys. So here I just want to add one more point. Like if you come here for the first time on these channels, then help me guys. And here I make only job hunting. So guys, and also like if you have any doubt related to your career, just drop me a comment guys. Definitely I will help you. Like definitely I will help you guys. So now I move forward for the second opportunity. Second opportunity is coming from our Deloitte company guys. This is like a associate analyst. This is like a non-coding job. Like if you have little bit knowledge in coding skills, then guys you guys are eligible to fill this form. Like just you see here like the Deloitte hiring drive is open for freshers, candidate with up to like 0 to 1 year of experience and graduate with the BSc and BA degree. It's a like a non-technical degree guys, like not like a BCA, BSc, IT and all. It's a normal degree like BSc, BA and all. So all guys, if you are belongings to this like degree, then you are eligible to fill this form guys. When it comes to the down, just you see here like job title is like associate analyst. Just you see here And when it comes to the down, is this like a IT jobs? Yes guys, just you see here, I mention each and every question guys, like मेरे को पता है कि यहाँ क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होने वाला है. So just you see here, like associate is like IT jobs. Yes guys, this is like a IT jobs, but this is a like entry level IT jobs guys. When it comes to the down, just you see here, like is it a coding job? Not primarily, basic scripting knowledge, like अगर आपके पास थोड़ा भी अगर कोडिंग का नॉलेज हो तो गाइज आप इससे अप्लाई कर पाओगे. व्हेन इट कम्स टू द डाउन एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया एंड ऑल, जस्ट यू सी लाइक BSc एंड BA डिग्री. और यहाँ पे जॉब पोर्टल पे दे आर नॉट मेंशनिंग एनी लाइक BTech, BCA एंड MCA डिग्री, नथिंग गाइज. सो इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली अ फ्रेशर्स अपॉर्चुनिटी, एक्सपीरियंस लाइक 0 to 1 year ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड पासिंग आउट. लाइक उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ मेंशन ही नहीं करा कि कौन से बच्चे अप्लाई कर पाओगे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी 24, 25 एंड 26 वाले अप्लाई कर देने गाइज. So now I move forward in this video. This is my like our job portal guys, job portal. So just you see here, like this is our like I already explained in each and everything in the notepad guys. So like just you see here, like BSc and BA graduate degree guys, and freshers and up to 1 year of experience is like a BPO service desk job. This is also like a good opportunity guys, like it is coming from MNC's company guys. So this is also like a very good opportunity. So just to come here and apply this form guys. So now I move forward for the today guys I am done. So guys मिलेंगे एक नया जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू गाइज.